Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get the filter box, which you will find in the video description. It includes every filter needed when overhauling your car, plus the oil plug. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the diesel filter that is located on the lower left of the engine compartment. With a socket wrench and a T30 Torx socket, remove the 5 screws that hold the diesel fuel filter. Lift the cover of the housing then separate the filter from the cover using a flathead screwdriver. Remove the filter from the flange with a flat screwdriver. Place the filter into a container to collect the liquid underneath. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. Now you have to drain the housing. Using a syringe or a hoovering tool, remove the diesel so that you can completely clean the flange with a paper towel. Using a thin screwdriver, take out the rubber O-ring which is located on the flange washer.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Get the new filter from the filter box. It includes every filter needed when overhauling your car, plus the oil plug. Oil the joint of the cover and put it in place on the cover. Take the new filter. Insert the new filter element pushing downwards to the bottom of the box. Since your vehicle is not equipped with a primer pump, it is vital to pre-fill the filter before starting your car. Take a container filter with diesel and fill the filter. Put the flange back, screwing the 5 screws back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.